Levi's X Air Jordan 3 All-Star showcases premium materials and standout design details. The upper features soft, pebbled white leather, while a light blue Levi's denim wraps the toe and heel, replacing the classic elephant print. A subtle Levi's red small E tab is placed on the outer lace panel, adding a signature touch. Inside, the collar and tongue backing are lined with denim-inspired textile, and a tan leather hangtag references Levi's iconic 2-horse patch. Black flat cotton laces provide contrast against the crisp white leather. Performance elements include a polyurethane midsole with a visible air sole unit in the heel for responsive cushioning and a durable rubber outsole in navy and white tones to complement the overall colorway. This limited edition collaboration will be available at Jordan brand stores and select retailers on February 20, 2026, with a retail price of $230.